Welcome to my channel STEPAhead with a new video. A product that every housekeeper needs in their pantry is a good degreaser. Do you have one? This item is essential because it helps remove grease from tiles, counters, stoves, and even from inside the oven. Although the house needs to be frequently cleaned as a whole, the kitchen is one of those places that need more daily care. If you have ever tried to clean your kitchen only to realize that you were out of degreaser, learn now how to make a homemade degreaser to help you keep your house clean. You will need 1 cup lemon juice, around 5 to 6 lemons, 2 tablespoons baking soda, 2 cups neutral dish soap, 1 cup alcohol. To make your homemade degreaser, put all the ingredients in a bottle. Mix them well and wait until the foam settles down. After that, put the solution in a spray bottle and it is ready to use. Apply it on the greasy surface and clean as usual. If you want, you can also use this degreaser on shower stalls and also to clean your windows and glass surfaces. And remember, when you are cleaning your stove or stainless steel pans, use white, yellow, or blue sponges to not scratch your appliances. Besides being safe for your health, it is also safe for your wallet. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends to watch more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and you will be notified when we put out a new video.